If you are seeking an AS degree at Valencia, you will also need to find your AS degree program. In order to find the courses you need for your particular AS degree program, you need to go and look in the catalog. So I go to Quick Links, I scroll down to Catalog, I go to Degree and Career Programs. Because I'm not planning on transferring right away, I am looking for AS degree and certificate programs. So click here and then scroll down and find where your program is housed. I am going to select just, I don't know, hospitality and culinary. You can pick any one and hunt for your degree. So let's say I want to be a baking and pastry management person. All I have to do is click on that. It's going to take me to a page with more information. But what you're looking for is view required courses. This is what you need to print and bring to class, right? So depending on your browser, you should have print options up here. Let's say you were interested in a different one, maybe, I don't know, let's pick health sciences, and you were looking at dental hygiene, or maybe nursing. If you click that, it will open up information about the different nursing programs, if my computer will ever open, and then you will pick the one that you want, and you will find the same type of information, all the particular classes that you need to take. When it opens, you would see this. You just scroll down, just like the others. In this case, it says View Course Catalog, because there's 3 different options. You would just pick the one you want, program requirements, and there are the classes you have to take. And this is what you would print.